Okay, I need your help, as you can see. Ready? Here we go. Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork. What is going on here, huh?
I can see through your kale.
Yeah. Something is eating the kale. I've tried a couple different remedies, and I thought I would ask the experts, not me, but you.
Clearly.
So I need your help. Something's eating the kale. Let's run through the
Possibilities.
evidence.
Well, the evidence, yeah. The trail.
There's a Labrador right through those string beans. So I love kale. I live in New York City. Yeah, that was a joke.
It was a joke.
Anyway, sorry. Some of this is volunteer kale. Some of it I planted by seed. It's the red Russian kale variety mainly. Some green kale. But there's been something attacking it from the get-go. Earlier this year, I thought it was maybe slugs, so I put out slug traps.
Beer.
And you know my favorite part of the slug trap?
Beer.
So the beer didn't exactly work. And I still have lots of damage. So let me walk you through it. It has holes. There's a little bit of, looks like spider webbing on some of it. A little black little frass here. So what do you all think? I have a couple different remedies that I can try, but my kale crop, you know, it's the middle of July already and this should be booming, and it is not. There's something under here that she's very interested in. Go on. So earlier in the year, I had put these marigolds in and it looked like they were getting wiped out and there was kind of like a sliminess on them. So I figured that was slugs. So I put some slug beer traps out. The idea with the marigolds is that they're supposed to repel insects because it's basically this is kind of like pyrethrum in here, you know? And then earlier in the year, I also had something eating the basil, and the basil's pretty much bounced back. There's still something chomping on it a little bit. I don't know what that was. So basil has bounced back, marigolds have bounced back. I think I need to put up some more slug traps for the marigolds. But what is eating my kale? I would love you to help me figure that out.
Maybe Charlie Pup's eating the kale. Seen other stuff.
Earlier, I sprayed the kale with neem oil. I also sprayed the marigolds and the basil with that, and that seemed to help, but then I skipped a couple of weeks, and the kale thing got worse, and the marigolds and basil got better. So string beans have been very successful, and when they're kind of too big, we have the biocomposter. Quick, tomato update. Nice, huh?
They're beautiful. Wow.
We talked about tomato cages and how to plant tomatoes in previous videos. I'll link to those at the end of the show, but these. So help me go from this to this, all right? It's pouring rain, we gotta go inside. Let me know in your comments. I'd love to hear from you.
He's starving for kale.
Starving. Boy, it really is raining, huh?
Yeah.
All right, camera's getting wet.
Let's go.